What is visa invitation letter and how to write it? Although texting has already replaced letters, some letters are still important. For example, visa invitation letter. Pickvisa will teach you today the importance of this letter and how to write it. What should be considered in the invitation letter? The letter of invitation must be written by the person inviting. In the letter, inviter should indicate in detail the relationship with the guest, what expenses will be covered, and the hosting address. In some countries, an invitation letter is required to be apostilled by the authorities. If you think that the inviter must be a citizen of that country, no. Residents can also submit an invitation letter. A resident might be a person who is studying in this country or has a residence permit for work or research purposes. Of course, this letter should contain enough personal information about inviter. A copy of tenancy contract or home ownership document should be attached to the letter. Probably after the prom invitation in high school, it would be one of the best invitations for a person.